There's a time and a place to talk about his issues. There's a time and a place to talk about his issues. He feels like he aged out of his habits. RDJ feels like he spent time in a conflict zone. Rock bottom was ugly. He began a cycle of incarceration and rehabilitation. The writer's personal information was leaked online. RDJ initially thought sober life was pointless. RDJ initially thought sober life was pointless. By 1995, he was using a variety of habit-forming substances. He dropped out of school at age 16. RDJ history with substances began with his father.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.